Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I just got the Snow Joe Snow Thrower 12 amp 18 inch electric snow blower, snow thrower, whatever you want to call it, is what I got. It moves up to 550 pounds per minute is what it says. I doubt I'm ever going to get to anything like that, but that's pretty much what I got. We're going to do a walkthrough of the box real quick, see what the outside looks like. Let's do that. So this is the box that it came in right here. Let me take this out actually so we can see it better. So here's kind of what it looks like. Mid-sized driveways and walkways, ideal for whatever. And that's kind of what it says on this side of the box. And then this side of the box, it says 12 amp motor, 18 inch clearing path, max depth 8 inches, throw distance 20 feet. I already went over 550 pounds per minute. 180 degree adjustable chute, 2-blade temp resistant durable plastic auger, and the weight is 25.9 pounds. So we got this because it's lightweight and it'll help with us doing smaller areas. So that's the reason why we went with this Snow Joe. We didn't get anything too crazy or too big because we needed it for the walkways mostly. So that's the reason why we got it, is for the walkways. So we're gonna do an unboxing review real quick and see what they give us in the box. We'll take this out. Probably do a video on me putting it together as well, but for now let's take it out of the box and see what we got and see how it comes and see how easy it is to assemble by yourself if you are an elderly person, I don't know, whatever, just to help out everybody else. This is why I'm doing the video. So let's open this up and let's see what we got out of this box and see what's up. All right, let's do it. What's cool is I do notice is that it comes with a 2-year warranty, so that's pretty cool. Where's my hat? Oh, it's in the car. Shit. Had to get my Glen Velvet Reviews hat that my girlfriend got me. My Glen Velvet Reviews hat. So yeah. So that's kind of what it looks on the inside, how it's going to come. It looks like this. So that's kind of how it looks right there. Hopefully it's easy to assemble. Let's take it out and see how easy it is to get out of the box and to assemble it. So we got that top handle right here. This is in here like this. That's the top handle right there. So we got that. Here's another part of the handle that we have. I don't know where this goes yet. I have no idea. But this is another part of the handle that we have. And pretty much we got to put this together and figure out where it goes. So this goes there like that. Then we got the chute. Part of the chute is separate, so you do have to put this all together yourself. Nothing comes together, so we're going to have to put bolts and nuts and everything like that, and it goes like this somehow, and that's how it goes. So that's the chute right there. Here's a bunch of the blue nuts and bolts right here. I guess that's used for putting this all together. I have to read the instructions before putting it together. But this is kind of what it looks like, and they give you a whole bag of screws right here. Let me see if you could see that in the picture. Okay, so here is this is the top part. This must be the top part of the snow thrower. This must be the top of it. Yep, so we're gonna have to put this together. So let's get this out of the box. That's the snow thrower, how it is right there. Pretty much that's what it looks like, and that's how it goes. This is for the auger, to spin the auger, I guess right here. This goes in here, and so this is for the chute to change the position of the chute. So that's pretty much what that is. So that goes over here. We're just going to lay that down. So this is pretty much what it looks like, what you can expect to get out of the box. They have the instructions right here, which I'm going to go over. I'm going to go over the instructions and see exactly what I need to do to get this thing together for you. And that's it. So we're going to put this thing together. We're going to see how easy it is to put together. And I'll do a video on that as well. Show your Joe and win some dough. $20 gift card. $20 gift card, I don't know, whatever. If you show your snow, I don't know what that means, but I guess if you put on a video on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, you get $20 if they pick you, or if, I don't know how it works, but $20 gift card you do get, so you do have a $20 gift card. And I'm not going to need that, so. Alright, so that's about it for now. That's the unboxing. There's nothing left else in the box. So I'm going to read the instructions over a little bit, and I'm going to see how to put this thing together a little bit quicker, and then I'll get an idea, and then I'll do another video about that, alright? Thank you for watching Glenn Velvet Reviews on this unboxing. I am out right now, but I will be back, and I'm going to post a video of me putting it together and all this other stuff. All right? Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Bye-bye. All right, so we're going to start putting this thing together, and let's see how long it takes me. This is an amateur putting it together. I have no idea what I'm doing. So this is pretty much hopefully what you're going to be in the same position as me, is putting this together. So you'll see how long it takes, and reading the instructions and stuff like that to get an idea of how this is going to work and what's going on. So let's get this going. All right, so that's pretty much it. I already put it together. That was just a little review of me putting it together. See how long you should expect. If you're an amateur like me, I've never put one together before, so don't expect professional results because I'm not a professional. I'm just like every other person that's buying this off Amazon or Bed Bath Beyond or whatever we got it from. I got it from Bed Bath Beyond because like they gave me 20% off, but if you order from anywhere else, this is what you can expect to get. That's how I put it together, so you can have an idea of how long it took me to put that together, which was pretty quick if you think about it. It's a small little machine that's only used for walkways. Maybe you can use it. It's made for light and medium duty. Maybe you can use it like for around your car if you got 6 inches of snow, and I would only recommend 6 inches. I know they say 8, but I'd probably only recommend 6. But this is pretty much what can expect to put together and see what's going on. So you have an idea of what your investment went when you spent the money on this machine. So that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews. I am out. Everyone have a good one. Any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures. I always like to review stuff, help the community out, help everyone else out because I get help from everyone else as well. So I like to try to help people out in their decision making before they spend their hard-earned money on stuff. So this is pretty much it. I will do a review when I actually get snow. I got snow 2 weeks ago. I haven't got snow ever since, so I can't test it out with the snow because the snow is already melted and gone. It's been 2 weeks. I live in New Jersey, so you can't expect me to be having snow all the time over here. But next time I do get snow, I will do a video on me testing it out and seeing how good it is on the walkways and stuff like that. Like I said, this is a smaller machine, so you're looking to do smaller things with it. If you're doing a big 150-foot driveway by 50 foot wide, you're not going to use this thing. This thing is not going to work for you. You need to get a real big, 6, 7, 8 horsepower snow thrower. You know what I mean? You're going to need someone that has self-drive and everything else. You know what I mean? So you're not going to be looking at something like this for that kind of driveway. This is just what we got for the walkway. Maybe helping out with the driveway, maybe helping out for your car, but very small jobs, small to medium duty jobs. So that's what you're going to be looking at. So that's it. Everyone have a good one. Be safe. Enjoy. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.